Hey, Cole Crockett here today with A to Z Bus Sales, showing you a 2019 Dodge Promaster 2500 by Revability. Going to show you some really cool features today. The first of which is actually on the Promaster side itself. With this Dodge Promaster being front-wheel drive, there's no drive shaft to contend with, therefore making this a true low-floor vehicle. Also going to show you an adaptive smart floor and a ramp in the rear. Follow me. This vehicle by Revability has a monoleaf spring system with air assist, allowing this vehicle to kneel prior to utilizing the ramp. The gas shocks make this ramp very easy to bring out as well as to stow. As you can see, this adaptive floor is very neat. With the L-track running parallel to the frame, the full length of the vehicle, and the modular seating, you can have this vehicle be any floor plan that you could dream up. It's currently set up as a max non-commercial driver's license unit for the state of California at 9 passengers plus driver. You could also remove each of the seats and have up to 4 wheelchairs. Thank you for watching this video on the 2019 Dodge Promaster 2500 by Revability. For a quote or more information, call the number on this door for more details. Have a great day. No.
Now that I got a video.